So, a little bit of micro shop management now. I'm gonna remove the busted microwave, and it's a bit difficult to see, but down there, lurking in the shadows, is a busted old TV that doesn't work. So we're gonna get rid of it. If I die or the workshop explodes, you know why. Bye bye microwave, bye bye old TV lurking in the shadows.